If you're using Asana to organize your work and projects, but your company has rebranded, or you need to update your organization's name for any reason, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll walk you step by step through how to change the company name in Asana as an admin. By the end of this video, you'll confidently know how to update your organization's display name so it shows up for all members, helping keep your workspace professional and up to date. Let's dive right in. First, it's important to know that changing the organization's name in Asana is a task reserved for admins. So if you have admin privileges, you're good to go. If you're not sure, the simplest way to check is by seeing if you can access the admin console. Only admins have this option. Also, Asana organizations are typically tied to a common company email domain, like everyone using @yourcompany.com. So this process applies to accounts linked together under one umbrella. Alright, starting off, you'll want to make sure you're logged into Asana with your admin account. If you manage multiple logins, just double check that you're signed into the one that has those admin rights. It's a small detail, but crucial. Only the admin can actually make this change. So if you're currently using a regular account, you won't see the necessary options. Next, head to the top right corner of your Asana window. You'll see your profile picture or initials. Go ahead and click on that. In the drop-down menu, look for and select Admin Console. This is where all the management tools live. Don't worry if the layout looks a bit different depending on your organization's Asana plan or any recent interface updates. The core options will be there. Once you're inside the admin console, take a look at the sidebar on the left. What you're searching for is something called Organization Profile. Sometimes, depending on your company's plan or Asana updates, it might show up slightly differently, maybe Settings or a similar tab, but it will mention Organization or Company Profile info. This is where you control the basic details that appear to every member in your company workspace. Now comes the key part, editing the name. In the main organization profile section, you'll see your current company or organization display name. Click on that field to make it editable. Here's where you can type in your new company or organization name. Take a moment to double check the spelling and formatting. Remember, this name is what every team member sees when they log in, so you want it to be accurate and consistent with your company's brand image. No pressure, but this is a detail that communicates professionalism. After you've entered the new name, look for the Save button. It's usually right below the field or off to the side. Click Save to confirm your changes. The update will take effect across your entire Asana organization, so all users in your company domain will start to see the new name right away. This part might take a few moments for changes to fully propagate, so don't worry if you don't see it update instantly. Just refresh the page in a bit, and that's it. You've successfully updated your company name in Asana. Keeping your organization's profile current is a simple way to make sure every project and communication feels relevant and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, tap the like button below and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ran into issues along the way. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.